fixes all. We're going to take a little test ride in this 1960 f100. My other truck has some valve train issues. Imagine that. A newer truck with less miles has issues. So that truck needs some work. This truck runs pretty good. It's a bit clunky. Pops out of second gear now and then. Drum brakes all around. Decent engine. It's been up in mothballs for a few months, so we're going to take it for a little ride and see how it does. New brake lines, though. Yes, new brake lines. Okay, little walk around for you. Little sewing machine engine tapping away. With some new parts in there. That tire's a little suspect. And the interior is fair. Okay, let's close this baby up and take a ride. Maybe some wasp will come out. Spiders or something. We'll see. And not even warmed up yet. Okay. Signals still work. Incredible. Brakes work, that's good. Those brake lines weren't cheap and they weren't easy to replace. Uh-oh, what are you doing there, son? Okay, he's going postal on me. I knew it. Working pretty good. Thing's been sitting for about 6 months. I was a little hesitant to drive it because the brake lines were very rusty and I was worried. And you know, you drive an old truck like this, you better have your stuff together when it comes to brakes and brake lines and stuff like that. Yeah, especially with a single master cylinder. It's not the double master cylinder, so the single master cylinder, when it fails, that's it. You don't have front or rear. I'm too much of a purist to adapt it to the double, but I really should. But we have an e-brake and we're going to test it down here. It should stop the truck on a hill, so we're gonna try it right here. Here we go. Now it's slowing me down. That's about it. Okay, well, Not bad. Let's open it up. Yeah, you better be scared, little car. Yeah, it runs pretty good. It's a little hot. I think the gauge is off a little bit. That new aluminum radiator is fine. Okay, we're gonna run it through the gears here and head back home. This is all about all the gas I want to burn today. Okay, that was pretty good. We're gonna reset the video so it won't be so long to update to upload.